Well, hello everybody. So it was really windy tonight, and so for my video tonight, instead of having me actively talk to you, we're gonna have me watching the video and kind of going over what I was doing. So we're lapping valves tonight, and that's an exhaust valve. Here I'm showing how valves open and close, I guess. The big ones are the intake, and the small ones are the exhaust. Yep, that's all the valves. I really like this hat. It's one of my favorite hats. That's a drill. So for lapping valves, that's just motor oil. I'll show you why it's important to have that. This is the valve that we'll be lapping in, and this is a valve grinding compound. That's very important when you're going to be lapping valves. I put up my hand there for emphasis. Let's see, so what am I doing now? Oh, okay, so we put the camera down, so we're gonna have some action. First, move the box out the way, get the valve. So let's see here. Oh, valve grinding compound. So there it is. This is how I apply it to the valve. That's just on that angled part right there. That's the part that touches the seat and seals your valve openings. Gotta make sure that you get a really good, consistent cover of that angled part of the valve. It looks like we got most of it covered pretty good. Yep, that's kind of hard to see even when I put my hand. I was trying to focus it on there, but it didn't really work either. But yep. Okay, so you put a little motor oil because you are going through the valve guide, and since you're going to be spinning the valve inside the guide, you don't want that to heat up unnecessarily. Now we're going to get some actual real sound as I lap the valve in. So I'll move the drill in and out, and it allows the valve grinding compound to kind of grind against the seat and the back of the valve, and that gets any imperfections out. It kind of grinds them down. Valve grinding compound usually will have a coarser grain and then a finer grain, so you'll hear a louder grind, and as you lap in the valve, it'll go from a louder grinding sound to a finer grinding sound. So you break down all the compound, and it gets from the louder to the softer, kind of more of a hum sound. But you just kind of move the valve in and out, and you just spin your drill, and it just makes a really nice seat that seals well. It's kind of a good backyard way of doing it. It's not professional. It's nothing like getting a good valve job done. But this is how I do the valve lapping on the engines that I rebuild. So far, I've had really, really good results.